Megamarsh Nature Reserve, a beautiful tranquil spot in South Wales, one of 6 designated sites of special scientific interest on the Gwent levels. Home to many rare creatures and plants which live on these marshes and in the system of ditches known as reens. One of these is the smallest flowering plant in the world, the very scarce rootless duckweed. It shares the water with otters, little egrets, large red damselflies, broad-bodied chasers, and hairy dragonflies. But the Gwent levels are not strangers to industry. The Newport Wetlands Centre sits right next to a major power station. Its lands crawl underneath the giant pylons stepping overhead. The M4 avoids the levels, but travels through the narrow bring-glass tunnels north of Newport, and this snarls up the traffic. The business community is very unhappy. There's a controversial plan to construct a relief road south of the M4. One of the alternatives, the Black Route, will divide the levels in 2, routing below Newport and back up to the M4 near Cardiff. Gwent Wildlife Trust is campaigning to stop the road from being built. They argue that some of the creatures living in the reens are too sensitive to survive the pollution that would enter the ditches. Recently reintroduced to the levels are the water voles. These cuddly little creatures can swim, and so culverts running under the road have been designed into the architect's plans. But sadly, no ledges have been included, and water voles can only swim 30 metres. They won't be able to reach the other side of the motorway. The Welsh Government will carry out a public inquiry early in 2017 to look at possible alternative routes.